Hello everyone, welcome to this demo of Auto Process Manufacturing Order module for Odoo. This module helps user quickly process multiple draft manufacturing orders directly from the list view using a single action. Let's see how it works. First go to the Odoo app menu and search for Auto Process Manufacturing Order and install the module. You can see here in our database this module is already installed. Once installation is completed, the feature is ready to use. Now navigate to manufacturing orders. Select one or more manufacturing orders that are currently in draft stage. From the action menu, click on Auto Process Order and wizard will appear with processing option. Select available quantity and click Process. The system will automatically confirm the manufacturing order, reserve available raw material, process work order, complete quality check, and mark manufacturing order as done. Now let's look at manufacturing order where required components are not available in stock. Again select draft manufacturing order and from the action menu, click on Auto Process Order and select available quantity option. Click on Process. Since required stock is unavailable, the system will only confirm the manufacturing order. Order will not be completed until material become available. Now select another draft manufacturing order. From the action menu, click Auto Process Order and this time select Forcefully Done option and click Process button. The system will forcefully process manufacturing orders and move it directly to the done stage, regardless of component availability. This option is useful when production needs to be completed without stock validation. The auto process feature is available only for manufacturing order in draft status. If the user tries to process order that already confirmed or done stage, the system display a warning message and prevent the action. So this is our auto process manufacturing order module. With the auto process manufacturing order module, user can process multiple manufacturing order in one click, automatically handle production workflows, use available quantity processing, force complete manufacturing order when required, save time and improve manufacturing efficiency. Thank you for the watching. If you found this video useful, then like, comment and subscribe our channel for more Odoo demonstration.